How would we access that?
So if the doors are shut, and you can't get them open, we just turn that, and this turns this into. Yep.
Jacksonville firefighters, police, and first responders recently got their first look at the self-driving vehicles that will be used downtown as public transportation. The training is designed to make sure emergency personnel know the vehicles inside and out should a serious or dangerous situation occur.
Don't try to have too much fun.
U2C Director Michael Feldman oversees Jacksonville's Urban Connector program. He explains the training is twofold.
We wanted to accomplish two things. One, we wanted to define and design the training that would be more conducive to how first responders would interact with a vehicle. So it had two specific components. The first component was to identify some of the technical specifications, how to manually enter a vehicle, understanding where the tempered glass is in the event that you need to enter the vehicle in an emergency situation, and then just overall social exposure to the vehicle itself.
JTA CEO Nat Ford is pushing this innovation. As of right now, Jacksonville is on track to be the first city in the country to use autonomous vehicles for a public transit network.
It's not a question of if, it's a question of when, and those communities that prepare themselves for this new technology will be the communities that can leverage it for economic development, helping our customers or our citizens travel more efficiently, and most importantly, they need to do it safely.
Initially, 15 autonomous vehicles will be traveling right here down Bay Street. Eventually, they will catch back up with the elevated Skyway. That 3-mile loop will initially run between Hogan Street and the Sports and Entertainment Complex, a location which has the Jacksonville Jaguars' full support.
And this was done, I will tell you, almost at the request of the Jaguars. I mean, they were kind of like, bring this thing in and drop them front door service if you can have it. I mean, they're going to start the development of Lot J. I think everybody knows that.
Many more training sessions like this one are expected to happen before autonomous vehicles begin operation in Jacksonville, which is expected to be just 3 short years away. In downtown, Karen Adams, JTA, Making Moves.